Right, hello YouTube. You can see my face this time. Goatee. Anyway, we've done the main paint work for all the little bits and pieces. Now we've got the main body. And as you can see, I've masked up all I don't want painted, including areas I'm actually not going to go anywhere near paint. So all the electronics underneath has all been masked. I need these three parts, and I'm going to do it in chalkboard paint or blackboard paint. Reason being is I want to be able to use chalks on it, so kids can come along, play with it, put any design they like on it, and then that's it. They can have fun with the machine, but also decorating the machine. So what I'm going to do, normally you do a primer as such, but this is a toy. But I'm not going to do that because I want to go straight into plastic. The plastic's been primed, keyed up, alcohol wipes down, so it should be fine. I'm just going to do a tack coat to begin with, then I'm going to lay on a couple of nice thick coats as well, and that should do it. I don't want to hide the detail, so putting a primer on would also hide the detail, and that's what I don't want to do. Today is dry, if a little cold, and sunny. We're in shade here, but the sun should come over the roofs as I'm doing this. So, hey, we've got it all raised up. Can is primed. We're just going to spray it. So let's get on with it. Just do a tack coat, a dirty coat, like so. More of a dusting than an actual spray, so do that on there as well. So that is just quite literally a light dusting, trying to get all the little corners. And we leave that for about 20 minutes today, maybe 25 minutes. Clean the can out. So, back in 25. Right, coat 2, nice thick one. The sun's coming out. Right then, we'll let it dry. There are some imperfections, so what I'm using is the Brillo pad scrub of these pads just to smooth it off, and then I'll give it another coat. So just lightly get all those imperfections, like sanding but gentler. Go over it like so, and then we'll give it another coat. Don't need to see that. So here we go. This should be the final coat. Nice wet coat. Right, that should be it. Right, there we go, all done. Leave them for at least 2 to 3 days. A week is probably better. Just do not touch them, keep them in the warm, do not touch them, and it should be done. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you next time. Goodbye YouTube.